Hey y'all, want to see something sexy? Woo! There's a story behind that, so all I gotta say is you can watch that video, but in the great words of the childish Gambino, this is America. Don't catch you slipping up. Don't catch you slipping up. You get $1,000 medical bill. I'm Cindy. This is Cindy Lou Loves Glam 2. And this is my Ipsy monthly unboxing, virtual unboxing. Let's call it that, virtual unboxing for the month of June 2019. Hi, what's up, you guys? I think I'm going to try something a little bit new this month. I have a tendency to look at the Ipsy spoilers, and much as I try to resist it, I really can't. By the time I start doing my unboxing, I already know what I have. And where's the fun in that? It doesn't seem as much of a surprise to me unless something's broken or whatever. So I thought today I would try something a little bit new. It's not an unboxing, but I guess it's kind of an unboxing reaction. I don't know. I don't know what you would say. I thought I would open up the Ipsy app, see what I got, and react to it on the spot. Haven't gotten this video edited by the time I get my box. Then I can also show the products as I open the box in real time. This thing is gonna look more cobbled together and oddly shaped than a Chuck E. Cheese pizza. See, kids, I can come up with cool pop culture references too. So we'll try this out. If you like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this format, or you can leave a comment below. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Love to have you. Let's get into it. All right, so let me pull up my app here. Hey, your June Glam Bag Plus. Ready? Oh wait, it's not showing me. I'm doing the Ipsy match, but apparently like I don't have it yet. So I'm gonna have to go and do this all over again. Well, they had the add-ons there for me to do. Well, poo. I got all dressed up for nothing. All pretty and gussied up for nothing. That's a bummer. I don't know. Maybe this is fate telling me it doesn't want me to do this. Who knows? Hopefully I'll see you later on tonight. And if not, well, for you, it'll be a few minutes, you know, spliced in. If not, it'll be tomorrow and I'll be wearing something different. I am finally back. As you can see, my hair is down, and luckily I didn't have to wait until tomorrow to shoot the rest of this. So I just took a quick peek, and it looks like they finally have my spoilers up. It is 10:18 at night. It was up before then, but I was doing other things. So this is the first time I have to actually sit down and do it. So let's get on with this virtual Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Gosh, this thing has been so glitchy all day long. I'm back, so I guess in a way this is future Cindy. So I did finally get my box. So I've done the virtual boxing, which you'll see in this video, but I do have the actual box. I opened it yesterday just to, I got it yesterday and I was like, oh, I was having kind of a rough day. I don't know if you've ever seen Rick and Morty, but I did end up having a shaky wine Beth moment. So, you know, I really needed to open up my Ipsy. I figured since I had already filmed it, you guys would be okay if I didn't officially box it. But, okay. Anyway, so I thought I'd get on camera and go ahead and show you everything that I got. So the theme of the month is Block, June 2019. Welcome to the Block Party. And of course, this is in celebration of Ipsy's collaboration with Tetris. Okay, I got what I wanted. I got the one item I really, really wanted this month. And I have a feeling everybody got it, but I'm not entirely sure. So first up here is the Tula Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Mask. This is what they look like. Very pretty. I've already used 2 of them. I really needed it yesterday, so I went ahead and used it, and my mom was over, so I gave her one to use too. And, you know, since I have tried it, I guess I can kind of review it. It was very nice. It was so relaxing. It felt very nice on my skin. Now it did start to sting towards the end of the 10 minutes, but once I took it off and rubbed the serum in, oh my gosh, my skin felt so great. And even today, like, I've been having issues with some psoriasis right under my chin. Actually, it is not nearly as patchy and gross today. Actually, it's pretty smooth now. So I think it really helped out with that. So this is a winner for me. All right, meanwhile, back at the ranch. Up here, we have the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Grease and 620 brush set. Okay, that's interesting. Grease, the inky water activated cake liner shade, glides on water activated. Okay, I don't think I've ever tried anything like that before. But water activated cake liner shade glides on with precision and dries to smooth matte finish. And wet the 620 brush and dip it into the pan, mix with liner, adding more water if necessary until you get a nice creamy consistency. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this because I just got a vanity and I do a lot of my makeup at a vanity instead of in front of my bathroom mirror. I don't really keep water by my vanity, so I don't know how annoying that's going to be, but maybe what I'll need to do is I'll have to keep like a little travel-sized water bottle or something off to the side, and then I can kind of like dip it in there, just kind of like rinse that off every once in a while. I like this. I really like the precision that I can get with this. I have tried this. It looks nice, in my opinion. It takes a lot of water to get it going. It does glide on nicely, but the thing is since it is water-based, when it dries down on your lids. Now, I did have this on my eyes earlier, but I ended up having a migraine and other things happen where I just like bawled my eyes out and it came right off. So I guess that gives you some indication. Create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. Well, I can tell you right now that it will. But I mean, then again, when you start bawling out your eyes, what really does actually stick around? Probably not much. All right, next product is the Tetris X Ipsy Game On eyeshadow palette, and it's very pretty. This one has like more yellow and green shades, yellow, green, and blue. The other one had more pinky, gray, purple, and I think that would have been more up my alley, but I just got another palette that's a little bit like that, so I'm okay. We partnered with the Tetris company in celebration of the Tetris brand's 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. I'm not real crazy about this. When I opened it up, it was like, oh, wow, that's bigger than I thought it would be. But then I looked at the colors and I was like, this isn't anything I haven't seen before. And I'm going to pull it out here. This is what the box looks like. This is what the palette looks like. Again, I have dipped in here already. There's the colors. I have every single one of these in my collection. Now, today I did use the transition color here, like obviously in the transition, and then this color here on my lids, and then I used my Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 2. There's a green shade in there, I think it's called Mojito. I used that in my crease on my outer V. So that's, you know, this is it. And this, I'm going to tell you, I'm not crazy about the pigmentation of these. And they're not the easiest to apply. They seem awfully hard to get out of the pan. Brushes, in my opinion, don't pick it up very well. I'm not that impressed with it, number one, so far. And number two, I already have these colors. I think the only thing that might be a little bit different is this color, but even then, this is very similar to the color that's in the Pure Masquerade palette, which I know a lot of people don't like that one, but I did. Anyway, so, and then I do have this color blue, but I don't have it in matte, and this is matte. But most of the time when I put that kind of blue in my crease or outer corner, like, and then blend it out, even if it's shimmery, like you don't see a whole lot of the sparkle. That's just my opinion. I know you're not supposed to put shimmers in your crease. I do it all the time. I was a child of the 90s. That's when I started putting on and wearing makeup frequently. And that's kind of all we usually had was all these shimmery shades. I'm used to doing that. So I guess that's just me being old school. I don't know. Moving on. Oh, we got something that people got in the BoxyCharm in the past. Maybe we got it in Ipsy. I didn't get one of these. It is the Trestique, just must be out there, you know, because we're about to get another Trestique thing in the BoxyLux, I think. But it is the Trestique Matte Color plus Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize Bordeaux. So it looks like a kind of a berry color. Trestique knows you're busy, and that's why all of their products multitask as much as you do. This dual-ended lippy has a creamy matte crayon on one end and a moisturizing balm on the other. By a busy working mom, Trestique aims to simplify your beauty routine with products that are easy to carry, have multiple benefits, and can be customized to fit your lifestyle. That seems cool. I've seen it. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of that, because I've gotten a lot of berry colors through my subscription boxes, and so it's kind of like it's a color I never really wear that often to begin with, and then I get like 10 of the same things. So we'll see. I do recall I got a Trestique lip crayon before I had the Glam Bag Plus. I had the Glam Bag, and that was one of my products. It was a smaller pencil. I think I may have given it away, but it was nice. It was nice. It was more of like a lip balm. It was a berry shade, but it was like a more toned down. So maybe this won't be so bad. So I have the Trestique pencil. It is a very pretty color. I did put it on. It's a little bit darker. It is a very pretty color. So you have this part. It's nice because it like goes back on. I really wish the formula though, it's a very creamy formula, and for a dark lipstick like this, it's going to smear everywhere. There is also the nice lip balm at the bottom of it. It's a little bit colored. I don't know if it actually, it still goes mainly on clear. My guess is that this is also so, if your lips are getting dry out, you have a nice little balm to put there. So that's what the color looks like there. It's very pretty. It's very pretty on. It's just, it's a very creamy formula. And when you mix creamy and dark things, it's going to go all over the place. So, but I don't know, maybe somebody has some tips out there for me to keep that from happening. The product I wanted the most, and I got it. And I'm assuming that almost everybody got this because it's kind of like a big item, but I got the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, and I have been looking forward to trying Sunday Riley product. Sunday Riley cream. This is a nice size. I like the packaging. I have yet to open it. I've heard good things about them, so I'd like to see for myself. I prefer creams, and I don't really have any creams. I had a cream that I got few months ago from Pearlesque, and it was a Blue Lotus cream, and every time I put it on me, like I broke out in a rash. It was bad. I just gave it away. And so I've been going with face oils, which aren't really kind of my thing. I'm so excited to get a cream, and I'm very excited to try Sunday Riley. Oh yeah. Oh, stretch bake. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you all the value of all these. Tetris Ipsy Game On Eyeshadow Palette was $24. The Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream is $65. The Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Mask is $26 for the 3. The Trestique Matte Color plus Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize Bordeaux is $25. And the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Grease and 620 brush set is $26 for the set. now is the point in time in which I add things up. Okay, so the value of my box was $166 this month. That's a great deal for only $25 in my opinion. I'm very, I think, happy about this box. I'm gonna have to try out the products. There are multiple ways that you can look at, you know, a box. I guess you could look at it by like, how many of the items are you actually gonna use in the box? You could also look at it from the standpoint of, would you have paid $25 to even get like 1 or 2 items in the box, and so everything else is just gravy on top of that and really a discount? I probably would have paid for this box just for the Sunday Riley cream alone. So in my opinion, I've probably gotten the value of the box out of here. It will be nice to try this liner a little bit more, and even if I don't, looks like it'd be a great pen for gel eyeliner anyway. So that seems great. I am looking forward to trying this out. I don't know how much I'll end up picking it up and reaching for it, but we'll see. And I'll give it a few shots because I'm not going to give up on something so easily, but I have a feeling I'm going to be decluttering this one fast. Sorry, Ipsy. I know you worked hard on it, but it's just not impressing me. I don't know if I'd pay $25 for this. Just saying. Oh, and this is excellent. I enjoy this quite a bit. These are great. I might even repurchase. These felt really nice. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, that's okay too. You can either, you know, click the down and thumbs down if you don't like me doing a virtual unboxing. You'd rather see me do it live. Prefer not to. I prefer you just mention it in the comments, you know, because I think that does like impact like how YouTube shows it to other people. But if you're not a big fan of this, just let me know. This has been my Ipsy unboxing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.